Welcome back everyone to the Sinex Tutorials channel. Today we will start a brand new series in Flutter, where we will learn how to make an e-commerce app from scratch, with login and Firebase backend. Keep in mind, after we finish this series, I am sure that if you pay attention and you understand everything we do in this series, maybe you can get hired in a company where you can work as a Flutter developer. Why you should follow this video series. You will learn core concepts to build any application. The second is that if you are new to Flutter, this is a perfect jumpstart where you can learn a ton of new and useful packages, what you can use later in other projects too. Core concepts of the project: minimalistic and modern UI, light and dark themes, authentication, integrating database. In our case, we will use Firebase for this project. We will use multiple Firebase features like authentication, storing datas, retrieving datas, push notification. For state management, we will use Git state management. There are multiple state management, but in this project, we will use this one. Also, we'll create a complete e-commerce application where we will list the products. We can sort and organize the product list. We can add to our cart. We can finalize the order, and we can see the progress of our order. At the moment, the project will cover these topics, but by the time, I am sure we will add more and more things to this project. Also, if you have suggestions, what should we add to this series so far, don't hesitate and leave a comment. The complete code is not available yet anywhere, but by the time you can contact me on Instagram or an email and we can discuss about complete source code. If I get your attention, subscribe to my channel for future episodes of this series or for similar projects. Also, go to my channel and check out the playlist of this project or similar projects. See you soon. Keep in mind, hitting the like and subscribe button is free and it helps me a lot. Take care.